I just tried my skills at a very steep approach just for the hell of it and see how well I could do. And by the way, the realism is all the way up, so it detects crashes or any kind of aircraft stress. I have it pretty much performing to the max of its capabilities, and yeah, everything was set up perfect. It worked out. But as you'll see, steep descent, and at the last moment, a nice flare just so you don't slam into the runway. Oh, I did it without any spoilers either. So I would have probably stopped a lot sooner, but it worked out.